Hey, yo, what's good, family? So listen, man, your boy is hosting a 45-minute digital masterclass, how to go from employee to entrepreneurship. You heard me. How to go from employee to entrepreneurship, right? The class is going to be hosted on May 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern time. And we're going to go over how to actually create a business plan, how to create a trusted brand, right? How to create that brand that people want to align themselves, how to effectively market yourself, and then how to attract those ideal customers. And so on May 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern time, all you need to do is just register for free. Register for free. Once you register for free, you're going to have the opportunity to get around the fire. You're going to be able to get with Jorge, and we're going to be able to build together. And so listen, man, I'm looking forward to seeing you on May 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern time. And again, the only thing you need to do is actually register for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no extra at the end of this. I just want to be able to create some value and put you in position so you can start moving from that employee to entrepreneurship space.